If you want to lose weight naturally, you do not need extreme diets, expensive supplements, or punishing workouts. In many cases, the real difference comes from small habits you can actually stick with. Here are 7 simple ones that can help. First, drink more water. Sometimes what feels like hunger is really thirst. Starting your day with a glass of water and drinking before meals can help you eat less without feeling deprived. Second, build your meals around protein. Eggs, yogurt, chicken, fish, beans, and tofu can help you feel full longer and reduce random snacking later. When your meals have enough protein, it becomes much easier to stay on track. Third, eat more fiber. Vegetables, fruits, oats, lentils, and whole grains slow digestion and keep you satisfied. A plate that includes fiber is less likely to leave you searching for snacks an hour later. Fourth, slow down when you eat. Your body needs time to register fullness. If you rush through meals, it's easy to overeat before you realize you've had enough. Put your fork down between bites and pay attention to your food. Fifth, get enough sleep. Poor sleep can increase cravings, especially for sugary and high-calorie foods. When you are tired, your willpower drops, and your hunger signals can get stronger. Better sleep often means better choices during the day. Sixth, move a little every day. You do not need to live in the gym. A daily walk, a few stretches, taking the stairs, or standing more often can all add up. Consistent movement helps burn calories and supports your overall health. Seventh, make your environment work for you. Keep healthy foods easy to reach and limit the junk food you see all the time. If your kitchen is filled with better choices, you are more likely to make better choices. The key is not perfection. It is consistency. Pick 1 or 2 habits to start with, make them easy, and build from there. Small changes done every day can create real results over time.